Thanks for voting IMEC EXCOM Association 115. I remember there was this association of consuls that honorary could not vote for being president. So I said, I want to be president. And then everybody got a huge revolution. After 22 years as consul honorary of Finland here in Bilbao. And they said, no, it's not possible because of articles. And I said, come on, show me the true articles, not the falsified articles, because the true articles, according to any association in any planet, I mean democratic country, everybody can stand up for and run for. We are equal, aren't we? So they said, no, because this is the articles. So I said, those are falsified. The true nature of articles in Basque country and in Spain is that we are all equal, number one. Number two, therefore the accounts and the elections were falsified. You see? After that, it was really no solution, so I ran out and I said, goodbye, you can keep your consulate, because if there is discrimination, I'm not going to be a member of that. Then there was the Basque Federation of Surfing, and they said, Jose, help us. So I did get some votes there, and then we kept being alive within the European Surfing Federation. Why? Because everybody was so lazy that I spoke to Switzerland, to Israel, to Norway, to Sweden, to the small countries, Germany, even Ireland, got the votes, and so we continued the Basque Federation. Then they said, Jose, we want you as president. And I said, well, I'm sorry, I'm just devoting to my business. There was another association that they said, no, you must have ships in order to be president. And I said, okay, thank you, goodbye. Now, that's why I thank you for voting. Voting is really a human right, and therefore I thank you all for voting. I really write here the reasons why. So if someone is really interested, you can freeze the camera and find out. This was my speech. Southampton last Friday. And I hope that for the best and the reputation of shipping, we improve. For you, for me, we that have labor relations in this planet, at the sea, we are at the forefront of what's going to happen. And thanks to you, we are making real. Hopefully, all these ideas will come true. I made another video describing a little bit how much it's 1.8 billion savings between gross and net wages and blah, 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 these numbers. But anyway, this video is just to thank you for voting. I feel privileged of being a member of IMEC, and I hope that you join IMEC and that we can really double the size of ships and so on. Thank you. Bye.